Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 28th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you all this week. So if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out, because it has been a super busy week for couponing and deals. So I'm going to have each and every one of those videos linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. So, jumping right in, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. And also, keep in mind, whenever you're doing any gain scenarios, it is very important to scan each and every item, because you want to make sure that that gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product, because the gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. Also, this week I'm going to ask you guys to please watch the videos all the way through for a couple of really good reasons. Number one, you're really helping me out when you do that. You're helping to grow this channel, and I put in a lot of time and effort into making these videos, making the slides, editing, uploading, all of the things. And in fact, if I told you guys how many hours I put into this channel every single week, you would definitely say she is crazy, for real. So watch the videos all the way through, help your girl out. And number two, if you're skipping through the videos, you're probably going to be missing out on really important information. And I try to keep these videos as short, sweet, and simple as possible, usually 10 minutes or less. So just watch the video all the way through. It's just 10 minutes. I promise you guys, I will not take up any more of your time than absolutely necessary. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into our scenarios. So for this first one, you want to pick up two of the Gain Scented Swiffer Mop Cloth refills at $5.50 each. One of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. You can choose from the liquid, the flings, the fireworks, the fabric softener, or the dryer sheets. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50. Again, you can choose from the flings, the fabric softener, the dryer sheets, the fireworks. There's all kinds to choose from. Then we're going to throw in one of those emergency 2 counts at $1, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.50. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon and your 5 off 25. The 6 off 2 Swiffer products, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry products, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 emergency, the 150 off 1 American greeting cards, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $2 for all 10 items, making each one just 20 cents each. And if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave it off. Your subtotal is going to be $25.50, and after coupons you're going to pay $4 for all 8 items, making each one just 50 cents each. Alright, for our second Gain deal, you want to pick up two of the Gain Scented Swiffer liquid refills priced at $6.75 each, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50, two of the Gain Scented Febreze products priced at $3.25 each. You can choose from the sprays, the small spaces, or the wax melts. Then you want to pick up 3 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $28. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon and your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your 10 off 2 Swiffer, your 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, your 330 off 2 Febreze, your 150 off 3 American greeting cards, your 2 off 1 Oral-B, and your 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. And that's going to make your subtotal after coupons 20 cents for 11 items, making each one just around 2 cents each. And without the Crest and Oral-B, that's going to put your subtotal at $26, and after coupons you're going to pay $2.20 for 9 items, making each one just 24 cents each. Alright, now next up, we kind of have a little drink stock up scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Dr. Pepper 12 packs. They're on sale, 3 for $12. Also included in that sale are 7-Up, A&W, and Sunkist, so you guys can mix and match. Then you want to pick up one of the Pepsi 2 liters priced at $2.30, one of the Frito-Lay dips priced at $3.20, one of the Splenda bags 3.8 ounces for $2.75, 3 boxes of the 72 count Kleenex priced at $1 each, one of the emergency 2 counts for $1, 3 American greeting cards for 50 cents each, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $27.75. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 2 off 10 Dr. Pepper, the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's, the 2 off 1 Splenda, the 1 off 3 Kleenex, the 1 off 1 Emergency, the 150 off 3 American Greeting Cards, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $8.25 for 15 items. But this still does get even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Splenda products. So, submit your receipt, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price $7.25 for 15 items, making each one just 48 cents each. And if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave those off. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.75. And after coupons, you're going to pay $10.85. Submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back. And that's going to make your final price $9.85 for 13 items, making each one just 75 cents each. Alright, next up we have a little household deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Scott 12 count bath tissues priced at $5, 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps priced at $3 each, 2 of the Dawn Easy Squeeze dish soaps priced at $2.85 each, 1 of the Almighty packs priced at $4.50, 3 of the Kleenex 72 count at $1 each, 3 American Greeting Cards priced at 50 cents each, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.70. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the buy one get one free Palmolive, that's going to take off $3, $2.99 off 2 Dawn, the 1 off 1 All and Snuggle products, the 1 off 3 Kleenex, the 150 off 3 American Greeting Cards, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to put your subtotal at $8.21 for 14 items, making each one just 58 cents each. And without the Crest and Oral-B, that's going to put your subtotal at $25.70, and after coupons, you're going to pay $10.21 for all 12 items, making each one just 85 cents each. And of course, don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because right now we have that 4,000 point bonus when you spend $25 on Scott or Cottonelle products. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Finish Power Dishwasher tablets at $3.85, 3 of the Kleenex 72 count at $1 each. You can find those in the dollar aisle, or you might find them in your regular Kleenex section. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn Easy Squeeze, priced at $2.85 each, 1 of the Pepsi 2 liters at $2.30, 1 of the Frito-Lay dips at $3.20, 1 of the Splenda 3.8 ounce bags at $2.75, 3 American Greeting Cards at 50 cents each, 1 of the Emergency 2 counts at $1, 1 Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $25.30. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 150 off 1 Finish, the 1 off 3 Kleenex, the $2.99 off 2 Dawn, the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's, the 2 off 1 Splenda, the 150 off 3 American Greeting Cards, the 1 off 1 Emergency, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $3.31 for 15 items. But then that still gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back on the Splenda and 75 cents back on the Finish dishwasher tablets. That is going to make your final price $1.56 for 15 items, making each one just 10 cents each. Alright, so that is going to be it for me for now, and I want you all to keep in mind that a lot of these digital coupons do expire on Saturdays, so use them before you lose them, alright? Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.